So who is TeleSystem? TeleSystem is a 30-year-old technology company catering services around our customers. We're delivering voice, networking, and cybersecurity services to clients of all shapes and sizes, all backed by a US-based call center. We also do professional installs for all of our clients and all of our services. We're delivering services such as unified communications, HIPAA-compliant e-faxing and call recording, Microsoft Teams integrations, direct routing, networking services such as dedicated internet, backup internet, LTE, 5G, as well as SD-WAN, with multiple options in each of those verticals. Regarding our cybersecurity services, we're delivering services such as endpoint protection, security awareness training, so teaching your employees what to do, what not to do, as well as providing email filtering and encryption. So there's multiple layers. There's no silver bullet for cybersecurity, but it's a matter of fact of putting in enough layers to really protect your business.